and they're off. Nine Dragons grabbing the early lead, followed by Tovanich on the outside, and Inner Class moving up on the further outside. In between horses, Queen of Class, Westerly Wind, and Flying Hope. And heading for the back stretch, it's Nine Dragon in the lead by 5.5 lengths. Tovanich running in second. Flying Hope on the inside, on the outside, Queen of Class, Inner Class, and Westerly Wind. Into the backstretch, they travel. It's still Nine Dragon by 5.5 lengths, followed by Queen of Class in second. By the rail in third is Towanich, Flying Hope, Inner Class, Westerly Wind. Nearing the far turn is still Nine Dragon by 5 lengths, followed by Queen of Class in second. And by the rail is Towanich, Inner Class, Flying Hope, Westerly Wind. But it's still Nine Dragon maintaining a 4.5 lengths lead, followed by Tomanit by the rail in second, and on the outside Queen of Class, Inner Class running in fourth by 5.5 lengths, and Flying Hope, Westerly Wind. Rounding the far turn, it is still entry number 1, Nine Dragon, followed now by Queen of Class in second, and Tomanit moving up on the inside. The last bend for home, it is still Nine Dragon by a length and a half, and Queen of Class now moving up on the outside, and by the rail is Towanit. The top of the straight is now Queen of Class on the outside, and by the rail Towanit. In between horses, Nine Dragon. Nine Dragon once again in between horses. On the outside, it's Queen of Class, and Towanit moving up on the inside. It's Towanit once again in the lead. It's Towanit followed by Nine Dragon, on the further outside is Westerly Wind. And finally, on the payoff line, it's Towanit, Westerly Wind, and close between Nine Dragon, Queen of Class, Inner Class, Flying Hope.